All right, this is question 2 from the Math 170 sample final. It wants us to graph the function x cubed plus x squared minus 12x, and then determine the zeros, the increasing and decreasing intervals, the local maximums and minimums, and whether the function is even, odd, or neither. So once you graph this function, you're looking for the points to find the zeros. You're looking for the points that the function crosses the x-axis. And so our zeros are at those points. So that happens here at negative 4, 0, 0, 0, and 3, 0. To find the increasing intervals and the decreasing intervals, we're looking for the places where the graph is going up for increasing. So our increasing intervals, we have to think about what the graph is doing as x comes in from the left. So as x comes in from negative infinity, my graph is going up, 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 up until it gets to this point right here. And that point is at negative 2, that's my x value, at negative 2 and 361 thousandths. So from negative infinity to negative 2 and 361 thousandths, I'm increasing. Then my graph is decreasing from this point to this point. So decreasing when the x value goes from negative 2 and 361 thousandths to this x value down here is 1 and 694 thousandths. Okay, and then our graph turns and it goes back up. So from that point, 1 and 694 thousandths to positive infinity, it's increasing. All right, part C wants us to find our local minimums and maximums, and that's where our graph changes directions. All right, so this is as tall as the graph is going to get right here. Change colors. This is as tall as the graph is going to get right there at that localized point, and this is as small as it's going to get. So our local maximum is at the point negative 2 and 361 thousandths, comma 2,745 thousandths, but we only list it by the y value. So our local max is 20 and 745 thousandths, or 20.745, and our min is at negative 12 and 597 thousandths. Finally, it wants us to ask whether the graph is even or odd or neither. And so a graph is even if it is symmetrical about the y-axis. And so that means that I could fold this graph on the y-axis and all the points would meet up, and it does not. It's odd if it's symmetrical about the origin. This is not symmetrical about the origin, and so it's not odd, so it is neither.